Hi class, we are going to be talking about the tropical levels of food chains of the ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem includes all of the following things, such as plants, animals, and organisms in a given area interacting with each other and also with their non-living environments, weather, earth, sun, soil, climate, and atmosphere. In an ecosystem, each organism has its own role to play. Consider a small puddle at the back of your home. In it, you may find all sorts of living things, from microorganisms to insects and plants. These may depend on non-living things like water, sunlight, turbulence in the puddle, temperature, atmospheric pressure, and even nutrition in the water for life. Food chains. All living things need to feed to get energy to grow, move, and reproduce. But what do these living things feed on? Smaller insects feed on green plants, and bigger animals feed on smaller ones, and so on. This feeding relationship is an ecosystem is called a food chain. Food chains are usually in a sequence with an arrow used to show the flow of energy. Trophic level of food chains. The levels of a food chain, also known as food pyramid, is called trophic levels. The trophic level of an organism is the level it holds in a food pyramid. Food chain levels. The sun is the source of all energy in food chains. Green plants, usually the first level of any food chain, absorb some of the sun's light energy to make their own food by photosynthesis. Green plants, also known as autotrophs, are therefore known as producers in a food chain. The second level of the food chain is called the primary consumer. These consume the green plants. Animals in these groups are usually herbivores. Examples include sheep, cows, and squirrels. The third in the chain are secondary consumers. These usually eat up the primary consumers and other animal matter. They are commonly called carnivores, and examples include tigers, snakes, and cats. The fourth level is called tertiary consumers. These are animals that eat secondary consumers. Quaternary consumers eat tertiary consumers. At the top of the level are predators. They are animals that have little or no natural enemies. They are the bosses of their ecosystem. Predators feed on prey. A prey is an animal that predators hunt to kill and feed on. Predators include owls, snakes, wild cats, crocodiles, and sharks. Humans can also be called predators. When an organism dies, detrivores like vultures, worms, and crabs eat them up. The rest are broken down by the decomposers, mostly bacteria and fungi, and the exchange of energy continues. Decomposers start the cycle again, and that is the food chain. Thank you.